Counter-Strike, global offensive success, since its release in 2012 has meant that it has become an esports classic. CS GO has made history with memorable gameplay, as well as marking the walls with graffiti. Some players practice being purposely funny during their matches. With creative thinking they steal the show with some clever humor to get support on their side. The top teams around the world play Counter-Strike at prestigious tournaments. Here are some fun facts about CSGO that make it all the more entertaining to watch, but before it, don't forget to like and comment some facts that I forget to mention. Let's stop making you bored and start the video. How many of you have ever dreamt of robbing a bank? In Counter-Strike, you can rob an ATM in Overpass Bombsite A, the TTK bank. Better yet, you get away with it unless the opposing team catches up with you and realizes what you're doing. All you have to do is shoot at the cash machine as many times you like until you see the notes rain out. Then all the money is yours for the taking. Counter-Strike's fascination with birds goes all the way back to the CS 1.6 days. At first, hens were programmed not to move about but peck in the same spot until they were killed. Upon the release of CS GO in 2012, chickens were free to roam about with the ability to react. You can find these small animals roaming around or spawning while playing deathmatch in the game maps, Inferno, Cobblestone, Italy, Militia, and Rush. Over the years, the in-game chickens have worn some seasonal costumes for Easter and Halloween and other festive holidays. Thanks to Valve, they seem to have found their 5 minutes of fame. You can own poultry by pressing E on the hen, they will then follow you wherever you go. In Counter-Strike history, a chicken once saved the life of top player, SK Fallen, so think twice before shooting birds. At ESL1 Cologne 2014, the Swedish Counter-Strike player, Olofmeister was playing for Fnatic, FNC, at the time, managed to reach the semi-finals to compete against Dignitas, DIG. At one point in the tournament, DIG set up a defense and planted a bomb in Site B, while FNC used hand grenades to drive away the opposing team. It was at that moment that Olofmeister went straight in the flames to defuse the bomb, but just a millisecond later he died. His taking one for the team helped to win the match in the end. So in memory of Olofmeister's move of a 3-flame kill, Valve drew graffiti on a wall in the bomb site B of the Overpass map. The image shows CT player, Olofmeister with wings symbolizing him as the guardian angel, standing in the smoldering flames, defusing a bomb. The following year at ESL1 Cologne, Fnatic came up with another of their ingenious gaming tactics at the finals against the French team, NVYUS. FNC had gathered $4,750 for the final round and chose to use all their ammunition supply. In overtime, the Swedish CS squad won 2 rounds and went for the 4-man sniper strategy, which the French could not predict in time. The situation left NV Apex jump with fright against 4 Fnatic oppers who won the esports tournament. This tactic has been remembered with a graffiti of a smiling terrorist holding 4 rifles. This drawing is located in the Dust 2 map. However, you may not see it anymore as it was removed a few months ago. Before moving to the number 1 fact, I just want to remember you to like this video if you really enjoyed it. If you do not enjoy this video, then tell me in the comment section and you are free to dislike this video. It was the semi-finals of MLG Columbus 2016, coldzera and his team Luminosity were losing to Liquid with a score of 15-9. Hoping for victory, at that point, LG had to win every round to win the CS tournament. coldzera saw a risk worth taking, to lead an AWP defense on Mirage Bomb Site B on his own. An outstanding performance with some luck played a part in favor of Luminosity. Just around the corner, he takes out TL Adrian, who jumped and tried a no-scoped shot that kills 2 opponents, Elige and S1 MPLE. If that was not impressive, another no-scope shot was fired at NITR0 who tried to kill him from above, and that situation led Luminosity to win the Counter-Strike match. One of many insane game tactics by coldzera has made history. Valve added the CS graffiti of a winged rifle with 4 red skulls, which can be seen in the Mirage map in the B site. That's all for this video guys, hope you like this video, and in the next video I will give you some pro and amazing tricks for Counter-Strike. See you in the next video.